We live in a complex world, and the ability to make educated, wise decisions can often make or break our organizations. But how do you make the best decisions when there is time pressure on everything? The answer for nimble, innovative organizations of all kinds is Nemawashi.
Nemawashi is about broadly considering alternative solutions. It's not all about making quick decisions. It's all about making wise decisions.
Nemawashi is about making decisions slowly, by consensus, thoroughly considering all options, and implementing rapidly. It allows us to merge wisdom with speed, and is a powerful tool to help your organization navigate the complex challenges facing every industry and organization today. This is why 360 Performance Circle has partnered with Mike Mickelwright, author, trainer, and a foremost lean expert to create a series which brings the power and unique insights of Nemawashi to your organization.
I will discuss the importance of Nemawashi, the change in philosophy from how we typically think and make decisions, and why it should have an important impact not only on how your company makes decisions, but how you also make business and personal decisions. Everything is verified, and the goal is to get it right the first time.
Mike will give you the theory of wise decision-making and tools to make Nemawashi work.
You might say, okay, well maybe Prius and that program had the luxury of time. They did not. The chief engineer was under extreme time pressure and yet decided to look at 80 different alternatives. 80. The iterative approach or the point-based approach might have completely missed the best solution, the best alternative. So it demonstrates why it's so important to look way back here and make the correct decisions early up front so that we can save on long-term costs.
Once you understand Nemawashi, Mike offers rock-solid methods to make it work for you, with a step-by-step process and key features to bring out the best in your decision-making.
From that step, we went to competitive benchmarking. I used this slide to teach people about the required process of advanced product quality planning, or APQP, which was used and is still used in the American automotive industry. So Nemawashi fits into the step of developing our countermeasures. Now let's see how we did this at the company in Northern California once again. All right, so now our fourth step is we have to generate concepts. And this is the Kano model. By the way, the Kano model was named after Professor Noriaki Kano. We could choose that concept as the datum. That makes it easier to compare the other ones to that datum. But you're comparing all of them though, really.
Yeah, I thought the big dog was quicker myself.
The first one's plus.
Just plus here? Just plus here and then plus here? You have individuals, team members, completely, with all authority, completely making the decision. But it does take more time. That's time in the short term though, because everyone, a cross-functional team now has made the decision together. They're all on board. They've worked out the kinks. They've worked out the problems. And they're all on board. They're going to make it work. They're going to make it happen.
In this thorough and concise set of videos, Mike will explain the definition of Nemawashi, how it made Toyota one of the premier companies in the world, how Nemawashi fits into the A3 process, as well as how to generate, evaluate, and select concepts for your new products and initiatives. Finally, he'll outline how to implement your new plans.
Remember what Dr. Deming taught us with his fourth principle. He said, end the practice of awarding business on the basis of price tag. Instead, minimize total cost. This is the same example that we talked about before, where we had the ease of assembly, maintainability, and serviceability, and so forth as our criteria. You see the weights listed, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 2. Now you see that some numbers, like 4 or 3, are used multiple times. That's fine. Any number can be used multiple times. Again, the key is we want to use the entire scale. Synthesis, or putting parts together to form a whole, is the most difficult thinking skill to learn. Well, we can make it a whole lot easier when we go through the process of Nemawashi, because we see all the different parts, the positives and the negatives of all the different parts, and it facilitates the idea or a methodology to bring all the parts together for an even better product or a better design.
Join Mike to learn how to make Nemawashi work for you. Let 360 Performance Circle help you unlock the power of Nemawashi.